I'm Kyle from Bilger Slinger Services out of Tillsonburg, Ontario. Bay-Lynx came to us with an idea on their new Aarcomm remote, and I've had the opportunity to test their first remote on the Slinger side of things. And I gotta say, after operations of a 15 truck fleet, Bay-Lynx has outdone themselves. They've simplified it. It's rigid, it's rugged, it's very easy. The more simple things get, the better it is for a company, the better it is for you, and the better it is for an operator not to have to guess what the problem is. You know, they've taken the potentiometers completely out of the system. It's 100% interchangeable with the current systems that are on the Ultralites and Multicats. One of the best features I like about the remote is how to connect it. Like once you've got the remote on, it's connected. Like there's no delay, there's no pushing a whole bunch of buttons. It's like once it's on, and it's right ready to work. I've never had it disconnect, and the range so far, I haven't been able to walk away far enough that it's gonna disconnect. One of the neat features of it is the wireless charging. When it's in the cab, it's mounted up on the side, it's charging while you're driving. There's no issues of it ever depleting itself. When I first saw it, I was like, it's like a joystick from a Game Boy. But it's not. It's literally, it's very ergonomic. It's nice to hold. Kind of throw it around your back when you're walking up and down to get to the hole. You know, when you're jumping up into the bird's nest, have a look in your box. It's not whacking you on the side. It's not stuck in front of you. One of the highlights of the remote so far has been how well Mark at Bay-Lynx has been able to dial it in specific to the truck. You know, like it's just unreal. Like you think that there'd be some minor tweaks, but it's just literally a plug and play, and then you go from there.